So hello everyone, welcome to Digital Dojo. So in today, very first, we will go through Java source file structure. So in a Java program, how many classes we can take? Is it only one class or we can take any number of classes? Yes, make sure in a Java program we can take any number of classes, no problem at all. Okay, suppose now I'm writing a program. First class A and then class B, class C, and class D. Okay, here I'm taking 4 Java classes. So in total, this is a simply Java program. So what I said earlier was a Java program can contain any number of classes. So you can say this, right? If I just compile this, yeah, no problem at all. It's compiling, yeah, no problem at all. So can you tell which class name that I need to use as my program name? Can I use A.java? Can I use B.java? Or can I use C.java? Or can I use D.java? Or can I save it as dojo.java? A dojo class is not there. So can I save it as dojo.java? Okay, we'll see. Save it as dojo.java. Okay, let's compile this and see. Yeah, see, it's compiling. Yes, for this example, you can use any name which you like. Keep in mind only for this example, because there are no public classes at all. So that's why. So what was the rule? Java program can contain any number of classes. So how many public classes we can take? Make sure even it contains several classes, but in a Java program can contain only one public class, or there can be no public classes. Only one public class, or there can be no public classes. But it cannot be contained more than one public class. I hope you can get it what I'm saying. So if there is no public class, you can give any name which you like. But there is a public class, compulsory, it should be your program name. Okay, we'll see. Now I'm gonna change this class C as public class. So see, it gives an error. So because I'm using this IntelliJ, it's identifying all the errors because before it's compiling. But I'm now going to compile it and show you the error. See, class C is public, should be declared in a file name C.java. So we have to give the program name as C. Okay, now I am renaming this file as C. See, the error is gone. When I compile it, it's compiling correctly. See? Okay. So if I just change it as more than one public class, see, I'm changed this D class also as a public class. So there are 2 public classes. So what was the rule? Java program can contain only one public class. Okay, so this is out of role, so you can see there's a error, and if I just compile it, so it says class D is public, should be declared in a file name d.java. Okay, so now I'm gonna create a new array list. And now I'm creating a new object. Okay, see, in IntelliJ it's automatically create these imports. So because now I want to show you the error, I'm just comment it. So if I now trying to execute this, it's surely getting an error, cannot file simple. So it says, hello, you are using a class called ArrayList. So where it comes from, I cannot find it. So we have to give the path name. So there are two ways. First thing, we can just give the path from here. We can say java .java, and also for this part like this. Now if I just execute, that's no problem at all. Or else this is one method, and we can use this import statement, then execute it. Yeah, it's executing without any errors. So did you get that point? So we have to grab the place that where it comes from. Now we'll go through a little bit of about these import statements. There are two types of imports. First one is explicit import. The second one is implicit import. So now you know the explicit import means. If I just take the same example, array list, we can say it as in explicit mode. We can say import java util array list. And if I go with the explicit mode, the same example, we can use import util and this. So we can use like this way. So this means all the classes which are inside this, please come to this point. That's the main idea. So if I ask you what is the most preferred way, in real time, even you are using hundred of classes compulsory, you should go for explicit mode, this mode, because the rate quality is improved because of this explicit mode. So forget about the typing, you have to give the priority to your coding rate. So please use this explicit import. So this is all I want to explain you. I think you can get a clear idea. So if this is good, please subscribe my channel Digital Dojo and keep it in touch. Thank you.